What if the most important conversation about your health wasn't with a doctor? What if it was the conversation you have with yourself every single day? I'm just getting older. I'm probably just tired. I'll start next week. I'm fine. We tell ourselves these stories so many times that we eventually stop questioning them. But what if some of those stories aren't true? What if you've been asking the wrong questions? We live in a world with more health information than ever before. More books, more podcasts, more experts, more videos, more technology, more AI, and somehow more confusion. More Life wasn't built to give you more information. It was built to help you understand yourself a little better than you did 5 minutes ago. One conversation, one insight, one better question. That's it. Not another chatbot, not another symptom checker, not another app trying to tell you how to live your life. More Life listens. It notices patterns. It challenges assumptions. It changes its mind when new information changes the story. Sometimes it asks questions that seem unrelated, only to uncover something you never thought to consider. Sometimes the smartest thing it says is, I think we're looking in the wrong place. Because the goal isn't to prove AI is smart. The goal is to help you see something you've been too busy to notice. And sometimes the best next step isn't another conversation with AI. Sometimes it's a conversation with another human, someone who can measure what conversation can't, someone who can guide what Google never will, someone who can help turn curiosity into action. That's why More Life exists. Not to replace doctors, not to replace coaches, not to replace human connection, to make those conversations better before they even begin. Maybe you'll discover the real problem isn't what you thought it was. Maybe you'll realize you've been blaming the wrong thing. Maybe you'll ask a question you've never thought to ask, or maybe you'll simply remember that your health isn't something you fix one day. It's something you build every day, because better questions create better decisions. Better decisions create better habits. Better habits create better lives, and better lives create more life. So before you scroll to another video, read another article, or search for another answer, let's start with one simple question. What would give you more life today?